Uploading your video without checking the copyright and safety status, that could be a mistake. Before you publish any YouTube video, there's one important screen you should never ignore. Here's what it means and how to check it. When you upload a video to YouTube, that platform automatically performs a copyright and safety check before publishing. This helps identify potential copyright claims and certain content restrictions that could affect your video. Since this feature is available in YouTube Studio Desktop, I will show you how to check it using Chrome in desktop mode on your phone. So first open Chrome, go to YouTube Studio. Now upload your video by clicking the Create button. Complete your title, description, thumbnail and other video details. Continue through the upload process until you reach the check section. Here, YouTube will automatically start checking your video. First, you will see the copyright check. If YouTube does not detect any copyright issues, it will show no issues found. Next, you will see the safety or restriction check. This helps identify where there are any known restrictions that could affect your video's visibility or features. Once both checks are complete, review the result carefully before moving the visibility section and publishing your video. Checking the copyright and safety status before publishing helps you identify potential issues early. If YouTube reports a problem, you can review it before your video goes live. Making it a habit to check this screen can help you publish with more confidence and avoid unexpected surprise after uploading. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.